Let's talk a little bit about data risk. Old devices are one of the largest hidden risks in a business. Why is that? Because they still hold old data, oftentimes proprietary data, oftentimes data you don't want out there, access points, emails, etc. I mean, you name it, old files, minutes from meetings, all kinds of data that is just better off not going into the public and becoming a liability for your company. Now, this isn't to say that you're hiding some weird information that can take you down, but companies operate largely off of proprietary information. There are processes, there are things that they don't want out there that could give their competition a leg up, for instance. If that data is not properly handled, you are exposed. You need proper data destruction, documented, trackable, compliant. This isn't optional, it's critical, because just one mistake can cost far more than the devices themselves. If data risk is a concern at your company, contact us at Koffee Mobile. The link is down in the description below. You can request a proposal or you can get in contact with our sales team. We will provide you with an action plan. All we need from you is what you have and the quantity. We will let you know exactly what real numbers we can provide to you, help you recover some of that hidden capital and securely destroy that data that is on those devices. Well, my name is Mark Days. Once again, I'm the founder and CEO of Koffee Mobile. That's Coffee with a K, by the way. Thank you for your time and you take care. Until next time.